I'm Jonathan. I'm 51 and I work for a housing association here in Cambridge. In 2011, shortly after completing the Three Peaks Challenge, I began to experience some numbness in my feet. At first, I assumed it was just a temporary after effect of the 24-hour endurance walk, but it turned out to be much more serious, and following a long period of investigation and treatment, I'm now paralysed from the upper chest down. A few weeks ago, I attended a patient event at the Cambridge Stem Cell Institute. It was fascinating to learn about the different types of stem cell research currently going on in the city. I was particularly interested to find out that stem cells are involved in producing and repairing myelin. Today, I've been back to the Institute to meet some of the researchers who specialise in this particular area. Professor David Rowitch leads one of several groups at the Stem Cell Institute and has been studying myelin for many years.
My laboratory works on the development and function of oligodendrocytes. This image shows an oligodendrocyte cell body in orange, and you can see the processes coming off the oligodendrocyte which are making myelin, shown here in green. In the central nervous system, one oligodendrocyte sends multiple processes to multiple axons. These are the wires that will be conducting the nervous impulse, and like an electrical wire, they need to be insulated, and myelin provides that insulation and ensures efficient nervous conduction. In diseases like multiple sclerosis, the oligodendrocyte is the subject of autoimmune attack, resulting in patchy demyelination and neurological dysfunction. I'd like to take you into the lab now to show you how we do research on this interesting cell.
That would be really interesting, thank you. After speaking with Professor Rowitch, I met Anna, a postdoctoral researcher in the lab. She explained to me that the stem cells that make oligodendrocytes are naturally found uniformly throughout the brain, but researchers have been able to isolate these cells and grow them in petri dishes in order to study them more closely. In her own research, she is particularly interested in how oligodendrocytes convert chemical energy to produce so much myelin. She uses imaging technology to track mitochondria, small structures within the cells, at different stages of development and under different conditions. Her findings suggest that these mitochondria are really important for oligodendrocytes in the brain to become fully mature. Initially, Anna's project seemed like a very small, precise thing to be investigating, but it became evident that each new little piece of information could be really important to understand the system as a whole. It's been encouraging to find out that some of this research may soon lead to direct benefits for some patients, but it was also clear that we still don't know some key things about how the body works to repair myelin or why it is damaged in the first place. The work at the Stem Cell Institute will be key to finding out more about myelin repair and developing new treatments, which is why I think this research is so important. Even with the knowledge that this may not help me personally, I believe that the more we know about the specific biology, the greater the hope that we will one day be able to treat and prevent a wide range of conditions.